In today's video, I want to show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online with crypto. That's what I'm doing since 2021 and so can you. So let's not lose time and start right into it. There is a lot of ways to earn money online with crypto, but only a few of these ways are legit, so you have to be very careful. One of the easiest ways to earn money with crypto is by staking your crypto. There is a lot of coins you can actually stake, like BNB, Cosmos, Polkadot, Crow, Algorand, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Tezos, Cardano, and a lot more. In the best case, you choose a coin that's very stable, like Ethereum. Because when you stake a coin, you get the reward, you get the yield in the coin you stake. So you don't want to have any high price differences. So that's why my strategies build most of the time on USDC. It's a stable coin that's always $1 worth. So if I want to get these yields, for example, I have to buy that coin and look for a way to not have any price differences. So I can go forward, buy this coin and make a short position at the very same time. So for today's video, I choose the coin Grass. It's a very new AI coin and it's kind of volatile. So we don't want to have any volatility. As you can see, the Grass token is very volatile and most of these coins are losing in value over time. So that's why we have to open a short position at the very same time we buy this coin for staking. So I would say don't lose any time and go straight into it so that you can follow the pattern and earn the same money online as me. At the very moment, the Grass staking is rewarded with a yield of 36% and that's very nice. So I'll show you now how you can get this 36% a year on your stablecoin. So step 1, get money onto the centralized exchange. Step 2, split that money half-half. You go to withdraw and withdraw half of that money. Today's example I show you with 1000 USD. So we split it half-half. $500 I sent to my MetaMask wallet. I recommend you send it directly on the Arbitrum network. Why you should do that, I will show you later, because on the Arbitrum network, we will open our short position and there is very low fees on the Arbitrum network. So that's why we're using the Arbitrum network. So let's send 500 USDCs from Arbitrum. Here is our MetaMask address, straight copied from our decentralized wallet. Zack, zack. And now you just have to go to submit and it is sent directly into your decentralized wallet. For today's staking example, I recommend you use 2 decentralized wallets. Number 1 is MetaMask, where you can send your USDC, where we open our short position later. Number 2 is the Phantom wallet on Solana, because the Grass token is on the Solana network. So our 500 USDC have arrived on our MetaMask wallet. What we will do now is we deposit it on the decentralized future exchange, where we will open our short position later. So I choose Hyperliquid as the best decentralized future exchange. And that is the awesome thing I love about DeFi. You don't have to KYC or anything. You just open Hyperliquid and connect your MetaMask wallet. That's it. That's the whole process. No KYC and everything. You just connect with your wallet. You can deposit now straight the money you want to use for the short position later. So we go here and deposit half of our total investment. It's now 500 USD. Zack, and it's in our account. Here you can see it in our perps margin, where we will use it later. So now let's go back to the centralized exchange, where we will buy the Grass token with the other half of the money. So you go to spot. It's nearly the same on every centralized exchange. You put in the coin you want to buy. In my case, Grass. And now you say you want to spend 500 USD for the Grass token. Zack. And in the very same moment you buy the coin here, you open the short position also for 500 USD. So we now opened a short position on Hyperliquid for the very same amount on coins we bought on Maxi. So we don't care what will happen with the price next. If it's going up or down, we are always neutral because we are short and long at the very same time. We have here our short position and we have spot coins we hold long. So it's always neutral, and that's why this is called a delta neutral strategy. So if the price of the grass token is going up, my short position loses and my spot coins win, so it's even. And on the other hand, if the token price is falling, my short is winning and my spot amount is falling, so it's also even. We remove all price movements and take just the yield we can earn here. So how can we get this yield now into our wallet? So we go back to Maxi and send the grass token to our Solana Phantom wallet. Important, if it's the first time you use a Phantom wallet, put a little amount of Sol onto that wallet so you can use it for transaction fees. In my case, I put like $7 on it. I can use for all of the transactions I'm doing on the Solana network. On the same hand, you have to do it on the Ethereum network as well. It's the same on the MetaMask wallet. Here you have to put some ETH for all of the transactions on the same network that you want to use. So we go forward and send the grass token on the Solana network to our Solana wallet. Copy the address and put it in straight here, put in select all and can submit here. The coins will be sent directly to our wallet. Now the grass tokens have arrived into our wallet and we can put them right to work. So we go to the Grass Foundation side, connect our Phantom wallet, connect, and now we go here to view delegations and we choose here the staking validator because it has the lowest fees. So this is why we take staking and go here now to stake and put in max stake, confirm that. Bam, 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 bam. So now we earn 36% a year on the money we put to work. And this is a very nice and easy strategy because it does not need any maintenance. So the only thing you have to do is claim your rewards. So you go back here and you go claim rewards when you have earned some. You can claim them, then you can sell them, or you can reinvest it and compound it. That's completely up to you what you want to do with your earned rewards. So there is just two things you have to watch. We opened the position with no leverage. You can see at the cross account leverage, it's at 1 or 0.99. This is very good. This is where we want it to have. So you don't have to worry what will happen with the token. It can nearly double in price when you look at the liquidation price. This is what you have to look at sometimes. You don't have to look in daily, but from time to time, you should look into here what is happening to the grass coin. This is number one. And number two is the funding rate. You have to make sure that the funding rate stays positive. More people are longing the coin than are shorting the coin. So you don't have to pay any fees for shorting the coin. So this is 10% you earn on top for the short. And this is the magic in the strategy. You are paid for opening a short position. You are paid that you don't have to worry about prices anymore. And this is the genius part about it. You don't have to worry about anything. You just have to go here, claim your rewards, sell them or reinvest them and enjoy the yummy yield you're earning here. And this is only one of many strategies we use at Web3 Universe. So in bullish times, we do a lot of funding rate farming. When traders are ready to pay a lot of fees for their long trades, so we just make sure we get these fees. So we buy the coin the traders are longing spot and we short it at the same times. So we just get the fees to our pockets. This is very genius, very simple, but it's working only very good in bullish times. Another strategy of ours is arbitrage. There is a lot of time price differences in decentralized exchanges because all of these decentralized exchanges use different oracles, so it can happen in volatile times that there is price differences on the same coin at the very same time. And we show you how you can take advantage of this and earn some nice yield on top. Another tool that's working exceptionally good in volatile times is airdrop farming. When there is new blockchains, new dApps, you can use them and make sure you get their coins for free when they launch. For example, you can earn points for using new platforms, and when the program is launching their token, you can get this token completely for free at the moment it launches, and you can directly sell it off to some new buyers. So there is nearly no risk for you in this strategy. The same thing I showed you with staking, you can do with 2 coins at the very same time. Then it's called liquidity providing. So you provide a token pair to a decentralized exchange and get a nice yield for it. And if you don't receive the token for free in form of an airdrop, you can also buy most of the times the token in a form of a pre-sale before everyone and can dump it on their heads when they are buying the token. So this is just some of our strategies that work at any market phase, in any market sentiment, and at any time. You just have to choose wisely, and I show you which strategies are the smartest at any time. So where can you see which strategies I am using? You can go directly to the link in the bio. There you come to my homepage, and there you can see my track record, which I'm building now for over 2 years. I share every strategy of mine completely transparent. Everyone can just follow it and make the same gains as me and my community. In the last 2 years, we earned roughly 133% on yield. That's a crazy amount. And with these hedged strategies, with these delta neutral strategies, you don't lose any money at no time. So your portfolio is just growing every week and you can compound the interest effect. So if you need any help or have any questions, please leave me a comment down there. And if you want to be up to date all the time, please leave a follow on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.